Hello and welcome back to Off the Record with me, Mayur Shekhar Jha. So not all is going well as far as Prashant Kishore is concerned in both UP and Punjab, the two states that the Congress party had roped the star campaigner in for. Prashant Kishore ran Nitish Kumar's campaign like he was the chief minister candidate, having all the political powers in even deciding the tickets. As far as Congress is concerned, this is the flexibility that PK is not getting. Also, PK was pushing aggressively for induction of Priyanka Gandhi as the CM face for UP. The fact that Priyanka Gandhi will just be used as one of the star campaigners in a way suggests that everything that Prashant Kishore is bringing on board as a suggestion is not getting accepted by the Congress party. Then there are turf wars that he has got caught in, especially in UP. In UP, what our sources tell is that none of the tall Congress leaders in UP are liking the type of clout with which Prashant Kishore has been inducted. So he's facing a tough time in the day-to-day political management of Congress in both these states. Amrinder Singh is also, in fact, he has made his views very clear on Prashant Kishore, and he says that I am the one who will be running the campaign in Punjab. I am the PCC chief. As a campaign strategist, people are welcome, and this is the role he said that was given to Prashant Kishore, and this is the role he should stick to, and not start getting into the political decision making of the Congress party. This is not a type of environment that Prashant Kishore has worked in, at least as far as the Nitish Kumar campaign was concerned. So with all these limitations, with all these turf wars, and the Congress party going into UP with so many big faces, they have Sheila Dikshit, they have Raj Babbar, Ghulam Nabi Azad is the in charge of the state, Priyanka Gandhi will be one of the star campaigners, Jitin Prasad and RPN Singh have their own turfs in UP. Except Pramod Tiwari, none of them are really very impressed by Prashant Kishore, none of them really want to deal with Prashant Kishore. So with so many turf wars playing out in UP and Punjab, how much role Prashant Kishore will be able to play in these two elections is something that we'll have to wait and watch. Meanwhile, stay tuned.